Okay, so super quick, we're replacing some shelves, and we gotta take the lights from the old shelves and put them on the new shelves, so we'll just do that. So this is the light mounting bracket from the old shelves. I actually don't know why we're doing this, because they're so junky. We should be using new ones, but installing new ones will be the same, so I just figured I would show it. So you got this lip here, that lip's gonna fit under this lip right there, so you're gonna put it in like so, squeeze it in. I'm gonna kind of rotate it down like that. I can see that's down there like so. Take this guy, put it like that. Take this little piece of plastic, obviously, put it back over this cord, squish it in there, protect it, and hold it in place. Then we'll take these clips, and you're literally just going to pinch this down, and slide these clips right on, like so. So just put another clip there. Now we're going to take the cord, we're going to take it, and we're going to put it inside this little groove. We're going to fold it up. Just screw that like so that's going to hide in there, and then this is just going to plug in. We put back that self-tapper that was on there, and then come over here, grab a light, put a light back in. We actually don't even need to take the light out, but this one actually didn't even come with a light, so just going to put this one in, and if it stays, it stays. You can see how old, cruddy this is. Probably going to have to order all brand new ones, but they want me to move them over and make as many of them work as I can, so that's what I'm doing. Now before I install the shelf that we just made, I just want to show you these are called price tag moldings. They're very, very important to the store. Make sure you have them, or they will not be happy with you, but they just literally just slide on. You know, there's a little tract in there. Slides on over. Kind of how they do holding the camera. I can do it on this one. Here we go. Just slides on over. Fits right on it, guy. So I just put on that shelf right there. If you look at, you know, those little brackets connect. Now sometimes when you're putting it on, you have to take your finger, push it in or out or whatever in order to get to line up. You can use a screwdriver too. We're going to plug in this plug connector down here that also looks extremely crappy, but that's okay, you know. And yeah, that's it. That's how we do it. And you can see the light doesn't work because it's broken more than likely, so we're probably gonna have to replace all the shelving lights on here as well as the shelves, but I figured I would show you, so that's how you do it.